Namaskar friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. So guys, in this video we will have our discussion on the weekly horoscope results for all the rising signs. Like the way guys, in any of the weekly horoscope videos, we give attention to the transit of the moon in that week. And during that transit, is moon forming any Raj Yoga through conjunction at a time when it is passing from a sign, is a sign lord or any planet is changing or shifting houses. So we have to take into consideration everything. The highlight or the theme of this week is that the week will start when moon is going to be transiting from the Pisces. It is going to be conjunct with Rahu, which could be a matter of concern, anxiety for lot many people. But during this week, like on Thursday and Friday, moon is going to be getting exalted in the Taurus sign, and over and above that, it is going to be getting conjunct with Jupiter as well. So which is going to be a good news for a lot many people. So okay guys, now we will start our discussion. Starting first with the Aries Lagna natives. So guys, in your case, because moon is going to be transiting and starting the week from your 12th house. So especially at the starting of the week, like on Monday especially and Tuesday, you have to be slightly careful while being on a travel. Any of the travel plans need to be made with caution, with care. There's a high possibility that suddenly you will feel anxious and driven by anxiety. A lot many people might be prone towards taking some expensive or wrong decision. After that guys, because like moon is going to be crossing from your ascendant, and in your second house it is going to be getting conjunct with Jupiter as well. So on Thursday and Friday, if I were to say, there's a high possibility of some good financial return as well. Along with that, even just because your second lord is also transiting there in the 11th house, so the week's energy is very good for like financial gains. If you have to give any presentation, you have to take any important decision connecting or connected with your family or your finances or something. If you are in any case connected with your restaurant business, you are in your own family business, you are a investment banker or something, so those people can get benefited. It's only at the beginning of the week, be a little bit careful because anxiety could bother lot many of the Aries Lagna natives. But yes, from the career and the recognition point of view guys, because in your case in the 9th house, Sun and Mercury are being very well placed over there throughout the week, and Saturn and Venus in the 11th house. So week is creating a very good energy. Even some sort of gains through partnership or some sort of good opportunity might also come to you through a common reference as well. So regarding that front, the week is creating a very positive energy. Now for the Taurus Lagna natives. So guys, in your case, as you can see this thing, week is actually creating a good energy, especially when we talk about some sudden accidental discovery of fortune, some sudden accidental discovery of some good or big opportunity. Lot many people might also be filled with those kind of memories of the past as well, because moon is going to be transiting from a 12th house and all. So yes, lot many people will be filled with that sort of deja vu kind of memory and thought process, which might bother lot many Taurus Lagna natives. Along with that guys, because on Thursday and Friday, moon is going to be getting exalted in your first house, and it is going to be getting conjunct with the planet Jupiter over there as well. So I would say this thing that for some enhancement of the reputation or some important event to take place in your life, the energy of this week is very favorable, especially guys because in your case your ascendant lord is also very much strengthened in the 10th house, being conjunct with the Saturn. So the week is creating a good energy for some important lifetime decision, career related development, recognition, visibility, more opportunity, access to opportunity point of view. The week is creating a very good energy for the Taurus natives. Now guys, when we talk about from the Gemini Lagna natives point of view, so guys, in your case, when we talk about the energy of this week, so especially at the beginning of the week, Monday and Tuesday is slightly prone and vulnerable towards some misunderstanding at the work or misunderstanding with the bosses. So that is just going to be the highlight of the first few days of the week. Afterwards, if I were to say, especially guys from the travel point of view, the week is creating a very good energy in order for you to meet new people, collaborate with new people, and look forward to new opportunities and all. The week is creating a good energy, and if I were to say, by the end of the week there's a high energy. Like lot many Gemini Lagna natives, either they will be driven more towards meditation, spirituality, some sort of retreat, going for hiking and something, and that will actually prove to be very rejuvenating, very relaxing for you. So that can be considered. So this is how the energy of this week is going to be for the Gemini Lagna natives. For those people in whose case their interests are aligned with the foreign land, if this has something to do with the import export nature of work, you are in an immigration business or something, so those people can get benefited. Now when we talk about from the Cancer Lagna natives point of view, so guys, in your case, the same thing is getting applicable in your case as well. At the starting of the week, like especially on the Monday and Tuesday, if you're planning to take any travel, you have to be a little bit cautious, little bit careful. Along with that, for the career recognition and visibility point of view, this could be a very landmark week. Guys, look at it in this way. When we talk about the slow moving planets, I always say this thing, people only give attention to that, okay, Jupiter is in the 11th house, in the Gemini, in the Taurus, I'm gonna be getting this kind of result. That only gets applicable in your case if you're also going through the Jupiter Dasha as well, then it will become important. Otherwise, what matters is that because the transiting moon, which is going to be setting the theme for each day through conjunction in that house, it is going to be creating a theme for you. So what I'm trying to say is that once Jupiter will move to your 12th house, that theme will only come back after 12 years when Jupiter will again enter your 11th house. So the point which I'm saying over here is that Thursday and Friday will be creating a very positive, optimistic energy for you. Some big opportunity or access to some important people, and because it's going to be a Thursday as well. On Thursday, your ascendant lord is going to be exalted in the 11th house. So it's a very good thing, like whatever religion you follow, so do your prayers, take some turmeric in your beverage and all, like if it's possible. So even put a turmeric little bit while taking a bath in the morning as well. So that is going to be good energy for you. So yes, the highlight of this week for the Cancer native is that Monday, Tuesday could be slightly vulnerable towards some misunderstanding with the father, with the teachers while being on a travel. But afterwards, the week is very favorable, very prominent for career and from the income and the recognition point of view. When we talk about from the Leo Lagna natives point of view, so guys, in your case, Monday and Tuesday is very, very vulnerable. So like I strictly advise that if in your lifestyle too much of the carelessness is involved, like this could be when you drive, when you deal with people, or like you are a bit casual while dealing with people of like opposite sex or something, so just be mindful. Moon is going to be starting the journey from your 8th house being conjunct with the Rahu, not a very good start of the week, so be very mindful. But afterwards guys, this week Moon is going to be transiting from your 9th house, so Tuesday, Wednesday might also facilitate some travel, which will prove to be favorable for you. Thursday, Friday seems to be very important for some career related achievement, some good news at the career front as well. So and yes guys, Moon is going to be finishing the week in your like 11th house. The full moon energy is also going to be impacting your 11th house as well. So overall, in a nutshell, a very good week. Only in the Monday, especially Monday, you have to be careful for not taking some uncalculated risk. But yes, from the learning point of view, travel point of view, and career growth point of view, the week is creating a very good opportunity. Like do not be surprised if suddenly your bosses are gonna call you and you're gonna be getting appreciated, rewarded for any of your contribution, any of your work. So all of that can be foreseen. Now for the Virgo Lagna natives. So guys, in your case, the moon is going to be starting the week from your 7th house. So do not be surprised if on Monday only there's going to be some stark misunderstanding, like not Monday, like even tonight, by Sunday night only, there's gonna be some misunderstanding with your partner or some sort of, clash with your business partner as well. So that vulnerability possibility is going to be there. After that guys, during the week, because moon is going to be transiting from your 8th house as well, so people who are engaged in research, who are connected with occult and something. It's going to be a very good landmark week. And once moon is going to be transiting from your 9th house, so I would say this thing, that if you're planning to undertake any travel during this week, it is going to be very, very fortunate for you. Like travels are going to be very fortunate because of the support of the luck. If you are like trying to secure any visa or something over there, you might find a success as well. And because the 9th lord over where like Jupiter is going to be getting conjunct with the moon, which is exalted, the lord of that sign Venus is also in the 6th house. So yes, some important career related in your job, some important development and all can be foreseen. But yes, majorly, primarily gains from the travel, success in the travel, and the mind during this week for the Virgo native is going to be very, very religious. Like, you know, this is just the starting of the new year only. Being very filled with enthusiasm, motivation, lot many plans, lot many things I need to do, and life is going to be showing you good omens as well, that you are headed the right path. So regarding that front, a good energy. Now when we talk about from the Libra Lagna natives point of view, so guys, in your case, moon is going to be starting the week from your like 6th house, being conjunct with the Rahu over there. So that in itself means that pertaining to the matters of the health, you have to be careful at your work front as well. So yes, especially like Sunday and Monday, you might be surrounded by the vibration of the dealing with the 6th house related energy, you know, bringing an order, discipline, or at work front, things going out of the hands and something. So that might be a concern on like the theme till the Monday for this week. But by the time guys, we will start like progressing in the week. So for the commercial gains opportunity point of view, yes, week will give you good access, good provision. Lot many people are going to be very much devoted and concerned regarding the matters of the 7th house. This could be marriage, this could be your like your business related running around, might keep lot many people occupied. And yes guys, on Thursday and Friday during this week, moon is going to be getting exalted in your like 8th house, getting conjunct with Jupiter. And now guys, in your case, because moon's transit becomes very important, because moon is your 10th lord. So that means wherever moon is transiting, it has a representation house in specific area, right? So for the Libra, it is their 10th house. That means they have this, and that is the only reason I say that the Libra Lagna natives can be a very good entrepreneur. They could be very good freelance people, because they have this capacity to create opportunity out of any thin air, because every day their 10th lord is transiting somewhere. So I mean to say some sort of sudden development at the career front can be foreseen. People who are connected with research, people who are connected with like occult, manufacturing, insurance, investment, so those people can expect some good kind of results. And yes, lot many people are going to be very you know, insightful, very deep thinking, might somehow flavorize the theme of this week for the Libra Lagna natives. Now when we talk about from the Scorpio Lagna natives point of view, so guys, in your case, the moon is going to be starting the week from your like 5th house. So guys, look at it in this way, that whenever like moon is conjunct with Rahu, that too in the 5th house, on a mental plane, this is going to be the time with obsessive thoughts, repetitive thoughts, or lot many people who are going to be very worried on the account of running after your children and all. So that could be a matter of concern, especially till Monday and Tuesday. But with the passage of the week, especially for people who are connected with business, this is going to be a good week, because guys, in your case, moon is going to be getting exalted in your 7th house on Thursday, Friday. It is going to be getting conjunct with Jupiter, and the sign lord Venus is also in a good dignity, conjunct with Saturn in your 4th house. So yes, if I were to say regarding the commercial gains point of view, it is a very good energy. And again guys, in your case, because Venus can be said as in a good dignity right now, and with moon getting exalted, being conjunct with Jupiter and all, so yes, even from the matrimonial point of view, dating life point of view as well, the week is creating a good energy. So it's a good week for your commercial opportunities, more visibility, matrimonial concerns and all. Even in your daily work as well, you will be able to put forth and do your job with complete discipline and conviction. But yes, the starting of the week might be on a mental plane, might be filled with anxiety, repetitive thoughts, or concern on the account of children. Now, when we talk about from the Sagittarius Lagna natives, so guys, in your case, Moon is going to be starting the week from your like 4th house. So Sunday and Monday might be a little bit vulnerable, where there might be some fight in the house, or deep inside feeling anxious, feeling insecure. So this could be the start of the week. Afterwards, guys, Moon is going to be transiting from your 5th house as well. So for the artist, for the creative people, any of the romantic love interest and all, because Moon is transiting from your 5th house, and in general, Venus and Saturn are strengthened in your 3rd house. So from the love, romance, leisure activities, pleasurable activities point of view as well, giving attention and time to your hobbies and all, the week is creating a good energy. And yes, if you are an artist, if you are a teacher, trainer, a good week for you. But guys, the good thing is that on Thursday and Friday, Moon, your 8th lord, is going to be getting exalted in your 6th house, and it is going to be conjunct with Jupiter over there as well. So yes guys, if I were to say, especially people who are working as a pharmacist, people who are working in the health industry, fitness industry, in your job as well, so some sort of development, which is gonna make you feel hopeful for your for your prospects in your job. So regarding that point of view, the week is creating a good energy. Now guys, when we talk about from the Capricorn Lagna natives point of view, so guys, in your case, the Moon will start the journey from your 3rd house. Over there, it is going to be conjunct with Rahu as well. So especially on the Sunday and Monday, you have to be a little bit careful while undertaking any of the short travel or something. So be very mindful, be very careful, especially on Sunday and Monday. Along with that, guys, with the passage of the week, I would say that because Mars, in your case, your 4th lord, is there in the 7th house, and Moon is going to be transiting from there. So Tuesday and Wednesday is going to be like Capricorn Lagna native are going to be feeling emotional. The family duties and responsibilities might keep the Capricorn Lagna natives occupied. Like let's say for example, any of the matters in your house, in your family, if that needs attention and time, you will be able to give it to that. Along with that, guys, Jupiter is already there in your 5th house. On Thursday and Friday, Moon is going to be getting exalted and getting conjunct with Jupiter. So yes, Thursday and Friday is going to be a good days for the students, people who are like already in any loving romantic relationship. You are an athlete, you are a sports person, you have to give any performance, you are a creator, entertainer and something. So yes, if I were to say, and guys, I always say, when we talk about 5th house, it has got that feel good factor kind of energy to give it to us as well. So yes, the energy of this week is filled with lot of like pleasurable kind of experiences, feeling emotional, being well taken care by your loved ones. So that is how the week is going to be like manifesting the results for the Capricorn Lagna natives. And yes, for the students and people who are on a lookout for any courtship related matters and all, the week is creating a favorable energy. Now guys, when we talk about from the Aquarius Lagna natives point of view, so guys, especially Sunday and Monday might be filled with worries and anxiety connected with the matters of your finances, matters of your income and something. So be very mindful. You do not have to sink too deep in those negative thoughts and all. But with the passage of time, if I were to say, Venus and Saturn are already strengthened in your 1st house. Moon is going to be transiting from the 3rd house. So for the creators, for the influencers, freelance people and all, Tuesday and Wednesday is going to be creating a lot of hope. And afterwards, guys, on Thursday and Friday, Moon is going to be getting exalted in your 4th house, and it is going to be conjunct with Jupiter as well. So I will not be surprised if on Thursday and Friday you will hear some good news. Like, especially because Jupiter's connection with the 4th house has got something to do with, some auspicious event. We say in Hindi as the Manglik Karya in the house, in the family. So yes, if you are in any way, you are an architect, you are a designer, you are like a realtor, something. So if you are strongly operating in the domain of the, like I would say 4th house, and along with that, you're trying to secure a loan for something. So over there, there's a high possibility of finding success in the matters of the 4th house. And again, guys, 4th house again, deep inside how you feel. So feeling very uplifted, very religious. Oh my God, today I'm gonna do this many mantras, this many part and all. So that is going to be the feeling. And yes, if you want to prioritize any of the matters of your house, of your family. Thursday, Friday is going to be giving you good opportunity. Tuesday, Wednesday is going to be giving you good opportunity, especially from the friends. Like if you are a creator, influencer and something. But yes, Sunday and Monday might be filled with worries and fears on the account of your financial health. And lastly guys, when we talk about from the Pisces Lagna natives point of view, so guys, Sunday, Monday is slightly vulnerable, especially in the matters of your health. Do not try to get entangle yourself into controversy, unnecessary scandal and all. So be very careful. Afterwards guys, like Tuesday, Wednesday seems to be creating good energy, especially people who are like, you are in a food business, you are a banker or something, you have to give any important like speech, presentation, it's going to be good energy. The flow of the money is going to be good on Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Friday is very auspicious for you guys. Transiting moon, your fifth lord, is going to be getting exalted in the third house, getting conjunct with Jupiter over there as well. So that means, some sort of profitable travels, some big opportunity on the account of your friends. If you are in sales, media, marketing, you might be able to perform very well. If you are a creator, influencer, being able to, secure some important deals or sponsorship, funding, important projects and all. So yes, guys, this is how the week is creating energy for you. Just on Sunday and Monday, be mindful of your health. That is all what I can say. So yes guys, this is something which I wanted to say as a part of my inputs. For further more updates and notification on the divine science of Vedic astrology, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram account. Dhanyavad.